EQ is built for reliability, but if you ever run into an issue, most can be resolved with a few simple checks. EQ is designed to give clear visual feedback when something needs attention. If your EQ isn't heating or displays a "check Atmomizer connection" message, this is usually related to the heater connection. Start by carefully removing the heater from the base. Inspect the gold contact pins and gently reconnect the heater evenly against the magnetic connection. The indicator turns solid green, and EQ returns to standby. When you start the heater, the on-screen connection message is cleared. If the connection is still not recognized, residue may be interfering with the contact pins. With EQ powered off, remove the heater again and use a cotton swab lightly dipped in isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the gold contact pins on both the heater and the base. Allow the contacts to dry completely before reconnecting the heater. Once reattached, check for visual and haptic confirmation that the connection is secure. If EQ continues to behave unexpectedly, a factory reset may help. With the device powered off, press and hold the command button for 10 seconds until the device vibrates. Once complete, restart EQ. This restores all settings to their original factory defaults. These steps address the most common causes of heating and atomizer connection issues and help return EQ to normal operation. If the issue continues, additional support is available through DaVinci Customer Care. We hope EQ supports moments of balance, focus, and relaxation in your routine. Thank you for choosing DaVinci.